Welcome to Summarize Science. Today we're looking at a groundbreaking project called GPIC, which stands for Giant Permissive Image Corpus. Artificial intelligence needs a massive amount of data to learn how to create realistic images. However, the training details of the most advanced models are often kept secret, or the datasets they use are too small for modern needs. The researchers behind GPIC wanted to change that by releasing a corpus of 100 million image text pairs. That adds up to a staggering 28 trillion pixels of visual information. One of the biggest problems with older datasets is that they were never meant for commercial use due to restrictive licensing. Every single image in this new collection is permissively licensed, meaning it can be used for both research and business applications. To make the data truly useful, the researchers developed a 4-stage pipeline to find and clean the images. They sourced millions of photos from Flickr and Wikimedia and then ran them through high-tech filters. These filters removed blurry, low-resolution, or unsafe content to ensure only the best data remained. They also used advanced algorithms to remove duplicate images that might confuse an AI during its training process. Here we can see some examples of what their deduplication process looks like in practice. They prioritize keeping distinct images while removing near copies that don't add new value to the model. Perhaps most impressively, they used a vision language model to write captions for every single image. These captions come in 4 different styles: tags, short descriptions, medium-length summaries, and very long, detailed stories. Here you can see how the AI describes complex scenes, like a 2-story house or a motocross rider in action. This variety helps the AI understand images at different levels of detail, from simple objects to complex spatial relationships. The project also addresses a major issue in the field known as benchmark saturation. Older tests, like ImageNet, have become so easy for modern models that they are now getting better scores than real, high-quality images. By introducing a new evaluation protocol, the researchers are providing a much more accurate yardstick for current progress. They've even provided smaller versions of the dataset, called GPIC Lite and GPIC Nano, for teams with fewer resources to work with. The entire collection is hosted centrally on Hugging Face, making it incredibly easy for anyone to download and start using. This stable hosting prevents link rot, a common problem where images disappear over time because their original URLs stop working. To prove the data works, the team trained a reference model that can generate its own images from text. In these examples, you can see how well the model translates text prompts into diverse visual art. Let's recap why this is such a big deal for the future of technology. They've provided a massive, high-quality, and legally safe foundation for the next generation of artificial intelligence. This levels the playing field, allowing independent researchers to compete with the world's largest industrial labs. It also ensures that the progress we see in AI is reproducible and based on transparent, stable data. As visual generative models continue to evolve, datasets like this will be the fuel that drives them forward. The world of open-source AI just got a lot bigger and much more capable. Thanks for watching Summarize Science, and don't forget to check the links for more details.